Top 10. Best SUP Life Vest. Places, like the USA and Canada, the Coast Guard considers paddleboards to be a water vessel. Number 10. Astral YTV Life Jacket PFD for Whitewater. Astral Buoyancy has been designing high-quality life jackets since 2002 and have put their knowledge towards this jacket. Everything about this jacket has been designed to be lightweight. For example, not including a zipper saved a few ounces of weight. Lashed tab. Pockets to store stuff. Lightweight design. Number 9. MTI Adventurewear Headwater. Include over 25 pounds of flotation and are covered in reflective material. You will not be lost at sea in this life preserver. Features light fleece-lined hand-warming pockets, adjustable shoulder straps and a well-designed mesh airflow system make. Fleece-lined hand-warmer pockets. Lots of reflective material. Airflow vents. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best SUP Life Vest or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. NRS Ninja PFD. Design. Great for those with shorter torsos, this life vest has 4-side adjustment making the fit just right for you. This life jacket is flexible and made for activity. With a lower profile, you will find that you have virtually unrestricted movement leaving. Form-fitting design. Lots of adjustment straps. Quick-release buckles. Number 7. Stearns Comfort Life Vest. When you are wearing this vest, you know that you are going to be protected and safe. The foam interior is highly buoyant, and the nylon shell is waterproof. The large armholes allow for great mobility when you are in and out of the water. We like the addition of a front pocket for storing any of your valuables. Breathable. Front pocket. For 90+ pounds. Number 6. Mounchain Unisex Life Vest. Medium sizes are great for kids, while the large and above are great for adults. This is a great life vest for your paddleboarding trip, and also a life vest which can be used for sailing, windsurfing, and more. The adjustable waist and 3 buckles allow you to find the perfect fit. Whistle included. For adults and kids. Then the whistle will make you heard. Number 5. Crown Sporting Goods Flotation Device. When you are out on your paddleboard. There are 3 quick-release buckles on the front, which are easy to get on and even easier to get off when you are back on dry land. This jacket will fit anyone over 110 pounds, making it a great universal life vest for adults and larger children. Safety reflectors. Quick-release buckles. One size. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best SUP Life Vest or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Onyx Universal Paddle Vest. Adds some comfort to this life vest. There is also a mesh backing which gives you good freedom and mobility while remaining breathable and moisture wicking. The life vest has a low-profile design, is lightweight, and compact. You can take this anywhere with you. And the buoyancy is enough to keep you out of the water. Lightweight. Comfortable. Adjustable. Number 3. Stearns Adult Classic Series. Proved making it a great option for paddleboarding. This carries the design of the classic adult's life vest that you picture in your mind, but don't think of that as a negative. There is a reason they have been around for so many years. Their incredible durability leaves these vests amongst our top picks. Coast Guard approved. Unbeatable durability. These vests amongst our top picks. Number 2. Onyx MoveVent Dynamic Paddle. The sizes are a range from extra small to extra large that are tight-fitting, and will not rise into your chin due to the supportive mesh backing. The reflective strips sit above the water when you are floating in the water, which will alert people of your location even in the darkness of night. High-quality materials. Coast Guard approved. Reflective strips. Number 1. MyCanoe 2.5 Origami Folding Canoe. Comically shaped to give you the best in comfort. The shoulders are completely adjustable, and the 4-side pulls allow you to get the fit which you need. There are high-visibility reflective accents on the front to give you extra visibility if you are in the water. The front also features a storage pocket. High visibility. Zip entry. Ergonomic shape. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search Best SUP Life Vest or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley Fishing Guides and Gears reviewed by experts.